Get him, beat him up. Hey! Go down there. Dan, go. Hey, you gotta go down there. Judy, get upstairs ASAP. No. Come on. There's like 8 left. Okay,
the cameras here. Look at Charmaine's feet. Just fucking wait.
Come on, Dan.
You have to come dance out here.
Wait, pull my foot down.
Let's see if you can jig at least.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, all I see is that. Yeah, you guys are too close.
Everybody's so slow motion.
I so have you on camera.
Hey, don't tell no one.
I can't, you're too fucking close. There, at least like that. Back up at least so I can get you guys.
Hey, this is my nephew. Come here, baby.
Oh.
Just kidding.
Not a rave party.
I don't know why I'm doing the right step or what.
Or Charmaine just giving her.
Drink Red River. Where's my spoon?
Drink on Charmaine.
Becky, look.
Well, you're too fucking close. All I can see is your big ass. It's getting flat now, Char.
Hey.
What?
Mine now.
Yeah, you wish.
I'm tired tonight. And my man deserted me so well. Have fun, Wesley. I mean, I don't know. I don't know who my man is yet. The night is still young.
Now it's an older person's party. Oh.
You won. Okay, you won. Tell them.
Fern, this is going on the internet. You know that. Oh. Ladies, you gotta go back up so I can get a picture of you. That way, so I can get a picture of you guys. You have to back up just a little.
This way.
Okay, there you go. Are you ready to go?
Take away.
No, like tomorrow. Like, can I have a drink?
No. What's in my Facebook?
Can I have a drink?
Don't put it on my Facebook.
That's so going on your face.
So pubic hair with crap in it. Mustache. Crap with pubic.
What a fun ball.
What the hell are you doing? I gotta take a picture.
Take a picture.
Okay, nice. Right there. Wait. Wait. Okay. Wait. Say something.